Alright, final problem. Final problem. This is again one of those problems you got a lot of different pieces. Don't go through and do it one step at a time. Do everything you can first, then go fill out your answer blanks. So, AB, 60 degrees, BC, 30 degrees, ED, 20 degrees. So I'm going to go in here and fill in the rest of my arcs. P is the center, circle P. P is the center. EB is going to be a diameter, so we have 180 degrees on this side, 180 degrees on this side. I've got 60 of my 180 right here, so that means I'm going to have 120 degrees over there. I've got 50 of my 180 degrees tied up in these two, which means I have 130 for DC. Now from here, I believe we can answer all but two. Angle 1 is a central angle from 30, so it's also going to be 30. Angle 9 opens up to 120, so it's going to be half of that since it's on the outside. We're going to get a 60 for angle 9. Angle 8 opens up to 160 degrees right here, so angle 8 is going to be 80 degrees. Angle 3 opens up to this 20 degree angle right there. Oh, my bad, it's going to be half of that. There we go. It's going to be half of the 20 since it's on the outside. Angle 5 is this angle right here. It's going to be 20, 120, half of that. Since again it's on that outside, so angle 5 is going to be 60. And then angle 10 is going to be half of 60 right here. So 30. We've got all those locked up. Angle 2 is going to be half of this arc. So angle 2 will be 30, half of that 60. Angle 6, you open up to a 90 angle right here. So it's going to be 45. And then I've got my 2 that I actually have to calculate. Angle 4 is going to have to be what's left of this triangle. Notice it's not in the center and it's not on the edge, so you cannot grab half of 60. It's not 30. It's not half of 60. It's in the middle of the circle. We're going to have to use that triangle to fill it out. So I've got 180 degrees in my circle, 80 here, 60 here, so I'll have 40 left right there. And angle 7, to draw you a good picture of it, angle 7, I'm going to use these two lines. It's going to look like this. I've got 20 degrees on this arc, I've got 90 degrees on this arc, and then angle 7 is going to be half of that difference. So 90 minus 20 over 2 is going to be angle 7. That's going to be 70 over 2, 35. And I'm going to put it on the left here so those people that are just checking answers. But this is how I like to do it. You go through and you do all of the work first. You do all of the work first. And that allows you to do a much better job with your flow as you go through the problem. You don't want to be choppy on a problem like this. You want to keep what's working going. So if you get on a roll answering some of these questions or filling in some of these blanks, that's what you want to keep up. You don't want to stop every time you get an answer, go write it down, because it just disrupts how you attack that problem. Anyway, that's that last page. Hope you had a good time. I know I did. We'll catch you next time.